Hi, in this week of 5 minutes of daily workouts for 7 days, we're going to be striking some poses. These are inspired workouts from different disciplines. They're only modified for you to make it easier. Beginner workouts. That's right. Let's begin our low intensity interval training where we make some poses repetitively for 45 seconds, resting in 15 for 5 rounds. So let's strike a pose in minutes. Posing starts in 15 seconds. All right, so feet shoulder width apart, hands out to the sides and hands on hips and chest up. That's what we're doing. In 4, 3, 2, 1, hands to the side, hips, chest up. And we're going to repeat that for the next 36 seconds. You can also go slowly as well. It's all up to you. I want you to feel strong, powerful, and confident. This is the reason why we're doing this. We're past the halfway point. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, what we're gonna do now is gonna make a starfish shape and pretend we're big and scary, just like so, like we're scaring off a bad guy. All right, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, big starfish scare. If you feel like saying rah, go for it. Scream that voice, but not too much. I don't want you damaging your vocals. Hey, halfway there. You can also make some facial expressions as well, so you can work out your facial muscles. 10 more seconds. That's it. Now we're gonna do some bicep curls. Or I should say to the side, that is. So we're gonna bring our elbows out like this, arms straight and big and strong, just like that. And 2, 1, arms out, palms to the skies, and squeeze your biceps together. You can also check yourself out if you want as well. Change your neck if you feel like adding more movement. Make some facial expressions to make it more fun. "15 seconds to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, great. What we're gonna do now is put our feet a bit apart, shoulder width apart, like so. And we're gonna turn our heels inwards, toes out. We're gonna sit as low as you can and put your hands together like you're about to do a prayer. And begin. Bring it out, bring it in. That's right. We're gonna show that we have mental fortitude. And we're halfway there. And guess what? 7 more seconds. We're about to count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna be like, yes. That's right. We're gonna cheer for ourselves. Yes. Because we need to give ourselves self-love. All right. And we begin, and yes. That's it. Halfway there. Remembering to breathe. Ten more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. That's right. I want you to know that mental fortitude is everything. But it also comes, as much as that sounds corny, with a bit of self-love. Cheering yourself on, even when times get tough. All right, leave in the comments below about how you felt about that posing. It's a little bit different, I know, but variety is the spice of life. Okay, hit the like button and subscribe for more workouts. If you feel like you can do more, check out my other workout videos. All right, I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.